There's a delightful simplicity in gifting a luscious bottle of olive oil. It effortlessly enhances the charm of any weeknight meal. While it's prudent to opt for basic and blended olive oils for cooking techniques like frying, baking, and roasting, any seasoned chef values having a bottle of premium olive oil for creating exquisite dressings, drizzling, and adding that elusive touch of excellence to any dish. The gift of high-quality olive oil is a splendid choice for any kitchen enthusiast. Many come in aesthetically pleasing bottles, jars, and gift-worthy tins, eliminating the need for additional wrapping. In this guide, we've curated a selection of the finest olive oils based on consumers' and reviewers' recommendations. Here goes our top recommendations for olive oils on the market. All product links are provided in the description below. 5. LAUDEMIO Extra Virgin Olive Oil. LAUDEMIO Extra Virgin Olive Oil, meticulously crafted in Italy, boasts an extraordinary fragrance and an intensely flavorful profile that captures the essence of the sun-soaked hills of Tuscany. The oil is sourced from 21 different estates across the region, undergoing expert blending to ensure a consistently superior product. This authentic extra virgin olive oil is characterized by its assertive, bold, and peppery bite, making it unsuitable for heating. Its unique flavor profile has garnered a dedicated following, and enthusiasts of LAUDEMIO swear by its excellence, choosing it exclusively over other brands. The packaging presents the oil in a clear glass jar, allowing you to appreciate its golden hue. However, it's essential to note that the clear glass may lead to faster degradation if exposed to sunlight. Additionally, the absence of a pour spout may require careful handling during use. The LAUDEMIO Extra Virgin Olive Oil is presented in a 500 ml size, making it an ideal companion for your culinary adventures. Whether you're dipping or drizzling, this oil adds an unmistakable touch of authenticity to your dishes. Embrace the sensory journey and savor the true taste of Tuscany with this exceptional culinary companion. 4. Corto Truly Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Corto Truly Extra Virgin Olive Oil is renowned for its Northern California origins and cold-pressed extraction. The company holds significant esteem in the restaurant industry, praising its texture and pasta preparation. However, while lauded for its versatility beyond spaghetti, some find the 3-liter vacuum-sealed box packaging, though efficient, lacking in aesthetic appeal. Designed with chefs in mind, Corto's product boasts a 3-liter vacuum-sealed bag within a box, featuring a convenient spout that prevents air exposure, preserving the oil's freshness. For those who find the larger format extravagant, a 500 ml bottle is available, tinted to shield the oil from sunlight. Corto's Truly, considered the gold standard among chefs, is a blend of Arbequina, Arbesana, and Koroniki olives, delivering a well-rounded, versatile flavor suitable for various culinary applications. The meticulous fall harvesting process ensures the careful selection of olives at their peak freshness, showcasing a vibrant green hue with a hint of violet, capturing the essence of optimal ripeness. The state-of-the-art mill employs a swift cold extraction process within hours of handpicking the olives straight from the tree, preserving their natural flavors and nutritional integrity. Subsequently, the premium oils are stored in a meticulously climate-controlled cellar, safeguarding them against external influence and maintaining exceptional freshness and flavor until they are meticulously prepared for packaging. Available in 500 milliliters or 3 liters, this chef-approved olive oil originates from the United States and is recommended for both finishing and cooking applications. 3. Kosterina Extra Virgin Duo Gift Set. The Kosterina Extra Virgin Duo Gift Set presents itself as a beautifully pre-wrapped package, offering a convenient and aesthetically pleasing option for gifting. While the set comes in an appealing gift wrap, it's worth noting that if you desire larger format bottle, they are available for separate purchase. This may be a consideration for those who prefer a more substantial supply of this exceptional olive oil. Kosterina, a Greek and woman-founded company, has elevated the notion that good olive oil is a lifestyle, extending their expertise to include olive oil-infused skincare products. However, the focus here is on their exceptional pure olive oil offerings. The gift set combines 2 of their most popular bottles, the original, perfect for finishing touches, and the everyday, versatile enough to complement a variety of dishes, from roasted veggies to grilled fish. Setting itself apart from some grocery store brands, Kosterina guarantees that their olive oil is truly 100% sourced in Greece, the homeland of the Kosterina family. Their commitment to quality is evident in the early harvest of olives to maximize the bioavailable antioxidants in the oil. The distinctive taste and versatility of Kosterina's oil truly shine when purchased as a set, with the bottles thoughtfully designed to evoke the serene beauty of the Mediterranean Sea in calming blue and white hues. Each bottle in the set holds 500 milliliters, and the olive oil proudly originates from Greece. Whether for finishing touches or culinary creations, Kosterina stands out as a premium choice for those who appreciate the essence of Greek olive oil. 2. California Olive Ranch Global Blend Extra Virgin Olive Oil. The California Olive Ranch Global Blend Extra Virgin Olive Oil stands out for its widespread availability, making it a convenient choice found in many grocery stores. However, its ubiquity might render it less than ideal for gifting, as the wide accessibility may not convey the exclusivity one might seek in a gift item. California Olive Ranch has a rich history of producing single-origin, U.S.-sourced oils, even before it became a popular trend. Evolving into a global company with products stocked in grocery stores worldwide, the brand maintains its roots in California while sourcing olives from various countries. The global blend, sourced from 4 different nations, caters to everyday cooking needs with versatility. While this blend may not offer distinct terroir expressions due to its multi-country sourcing, that's precisely its strength. Tailored for everyday cooking tasks, the oil is reasonably priced. California Olive Ranch's reputation for fresh, responsibly sourced olives is synonymous with quality, ensuring that even though it's a blend, the product maintains a high standard. Presented in a 1-liter size, this olive oil originates from Argentina, Portugal, Chile, and California. Designed primarily for cooking, including baking, sautéing, and roasting, California Olive Ranch Global Blend Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a reliable and accessible choice for culinary enthusiasts seeking consistent quality in their everyday cooking endeavors. 1. Bloomingdale's Brightland The Duo. The Bloomingdale's Brightland The Duo offers the unique advantage of sampling 2 distinct olive oil, with packaging designed to protect the oil from harmful UV light exposure. However, it's important to note that the absence of a pour spout makes drizzling directly from the bottle a bit challenging, requiring careful handling during use. Brightland has played a pivotal role in demystifying the nuanced tasting notes of olive oil, establishing itself as a leader in the specialty oil market. The Duo set features 2 blends that highlight the diverse agricultural and culinary aspects of olives. The Awake blend, with its high 410 degrees Fahrenheit smoke point, is ideal for cooking, showcasing a notable peppery kick that enhances sauces. On the other hand, the Alive blend offers a smooth, grassy clean flavor profile, making it perfect for bread dipping. All of Brightland's oils are crafted from olives grown on small family farms in California, processed through cold pressing to preserve flavor integrity. Notably, the harvest date is provided with each order, ensuring a super fresh product. As a woman and minority-owned business, Brightland has garnered praise from both professional chefs and home cooks. For enthusiasts who find themselves enamored with Brightland's offerings, discounts are available with a subscription, and the brand also offers vinegar and honey. Each bottle in the Duo set contains 375 milliliters of olive oil, proudly originating from the United States, specifically California. Whether for finishing touches or culinary creations, Brightland's commitment to quality and diversity shines through in this thoughtfully curated Duo set. Customers have praised the edible vegetable oil for its presentation, smooth texture, well-crafted packaging, versatility, and delicious taste in the past. They have specifically mentioned its suitability as a perfect complement to salads or bread and its effectiveness for special meals and occasions. Customers have consistently lauded the oil for its taste and quality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.